Hey folks, big variety of weather across the valley today. If you're in the upper valley, really most of the valley, wind shifted, humidity fell, clouds kind of stuck around. But if you're at the coast, watch this front come through. We're going to go back in time to early this morning and watch. It shows up just to the northeast of the valley, and then there it comes right down the coast, triggering some showers, even some pretty good thunderstorms right at the coast, some very gusty winds. But now everybody's seeing a pretty nice afternoon across the area. Let's look at where the rain has fallen the last 24 hours. Most of what you see on this on the left, 2/3 of the map was from last night. The stuff along the coast was with that front, and Doppler estimates about 6/10 of an inch right at South Padre Island, up on the north end of the island. A little more than that, and then back on the coast, just to the north of Laguna Vista, about 6/10 of an inch. But look how there's nothing basically in Brownsville, Los Fresnos. And then you get back to Harlingen, and there was some rain last night north of town, a little more than 3/4 of an inch, about a half an inch around Sebastian. Then it skips Raymondville, and then there was more last night up on the Willacy-Kennedy County line. There were a couple of thunder showers moved through Hidalgo County, but all north of the populated areas. Then in Starr County, you can see half an inch or so along the 83 corridor. Then you get up to the north, heavier rain there. And just for grins, look up just to the west of Falcon Lake, 1.5 inches, 2.5 inches. Thunderstorms moved through there last night and then hit the cap, which we'll talk more about later today, what that cap is. Future track suggests there's enough moisture around this evening still for maybe a sprinkle or two. I think that's probably the most we would see. For the most part, it's dry tonight, and the clouds break, and when the clouds break, lower humidity air builds in, drier air, and that gives us a gorgeous day tomorrow. As we showed you, temperatures starting in the low 60s and warming up into the 80s during the daytime, but low humidity, that's the key tomorrow, and that'll last through tomorrow night, likely into Friday morning as well. Look at the dew points now. They're continuing to go down. The highest number on that map is 68. Everything else is below that, so we're still in the muggy range, but it continues to fall, likely down to that comfortable range as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. Low temperatures tonight then, mid-60s, every place with the beach, about 72 there, mainly clear and cool. And then tomorrow, gorgeous day, low humidity, sunny skies, temperatures mostly in the upper 80s, low 90s in the west, about 79 at South Padre Island. The next 3 days, the normal high is 87. We're going to 88, 92, 95. We get back to normal and above pretty quickly with little to no chance of rain after today. So your chance of rain tomorrow, 0, 0, 0, 0 all the way through the weekend and likely beyond that. Here is the weekend forecast. Look at both days of the weekend in the mid-90s, about 95, mostly sunny skies. Both days breezy, warm, and humid. Rest of Texas, it's cooled a little bit, but still warm. 84 in Austin, 79 in Dallas. Look at those thunderstorms along that front. All down to the south of us now, stuff erupting over the mountains to the west. Should stay over there. Of course, we'll watch it as that front slowly but surely pushes away and high pressure builds in. So tomorrow's mainly sunny, a whole lot less humid. Very quickly, though, by Friday, that high is back in the Gulf of Mexico. And when that happens, the wind's back out of the southeast. The front comes back through as a warm front on Saturday, and then it's hot again and likely to stay hot for the foreseeable future. That next front on the map, not going to get here, so our next real chance for any rain comes about Wednesday of next week. At the coast, northeast winds 15 to 25 knots, gusts to 35. Small craft advisory until tomorrow morning. There's a moderate risk of rip currents. So for tonight, 64, clearing skies, lower humidity, northeast winds all night. Then tomorrow back to 88. That's it. Sunny skies, low humidity, winds out of the east-northeast at about 5 to 15. Should be a beautiful day across the valley. Still sunny on Friday. Look at that low Friday morning, 60. That's an average, implying parts of the valley will be in the upper 50s Friday morning. But then it recovers very quickly. Dry air can do that. Back to 92 Friday afternoon. Beyond that, look at that, 95 for the weekend, 97, 98. By Wednesday of next week, perhaps a front triggering a spotty shower or thunderstorm. That's your updated First One 5 AccuWeather forecast.